Elsa? Do you want to build a snowman?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Okay, bye.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Here we go.
Drying them out a bit in the hot pan, and I'm ready to set to with my mechanical masher. Now I'm aiming for quite a solid mash at this stage, but I still need a bit of milk, full fat, which I've warmed in the microwave.
You want a hot body? You want a Bugatti? You want a Maserati? You better work, bitch. You better work, bitch. You better work, bitch. You better work, bitch. Now get to work, bitch. Now get to work, bitch.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Call them bitches scary cats, I call them Carol Baskins. Body yaddy 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 yaddy.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Bitch, I hope the fuck you do.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty.
Do you ever just look at your dog and think, how the hell can I love something so much?
How am I doing?
I'm straight up not having a good time.
I think we can all agree I'm the 10 amongst these threes.
You better shape up, 'cause I need